Let us walk you through the simple steps of creating a pNFT from the Galileo Marketplace. First, log in through your Galileo account. Note that only Galileo-approved brand credentials can be used to create pNFTs. Enter the dashboard mode. Select the Categories tab. In the categories, you can see that I can click the icon below Actions. Now let's create an NFT. Click Add NFT. Fill in all the necessary fields such as NFT name, price, and description. You can also add the NFT's metadata if you click the Add Metadata button. It supports lazy minting and direct minting, but in this case, I'll go for direct minting. You can also click Mint to Wallet. Its function is if you want to transfer an NFT to a specific wallet as soon as you mint it, you can just input the wallet address here. I added some metadata here, for example. We have a couple of settings over here. If you turn this button on, it will allow the NFT owner to update the metadata of the NFT. If you check the other toggle, it will make it mandatory to upload proof while updating the metadata. Next, you can also add multiple authenticity files. You can upload the necessary files here. And now, add and upload your chosen pNFT image. You can also set the quantity of pNFT that can be minted. For this case, let's set 1. Finally, click the Add button. Now the request to mint the NFT has been dispatched to the sub-admin. It's that fast and simple. Stay tuned for the next video on the pNFT's brand management platform.